Anna Steinfest is the CEO and president of AFF Research, LLC. She has bachelor's and master's degrees from the University of National and World Economy in Sofia, Bulgaria. Anna moved to the United States from Bulgaria in 1998, and in 2005 she acquired AFF Research. She continues the traditions of the company, working with businesses and government to meet targeted business, supplier, and workforce diversity goals, and assisting Green Bay's many entrepreneurs, particularly those who are minority, women, veterans, and disabled persons communities. Anna has given a number of presentations to various groups, including Small Business in the USA for a Russian business delegation through the Rotary Club, Banking 101 for students through the Wisconsin Chamber of Commerce, Unlock Your Financial Power for members of the ECC, and Diversity for the Green Bay Area Chamber of Commerce. She was honored by the Green Bay Area Chamber of Commerce as one of the 40 under 40, the most promising and business savvy. Recently, she was a financial educator for Israeli and Jordanian women in the Young Entrepreneurs Program, a project of UWGB, in cooperation with various Israeli and Jordanian business and entrepreneurial organizations, and funded by the U.S. Department of State, Bureau of Educational and Cultural Affairs, Professional Exchanges Division. Anna, thank you for being with me. I know that you were just passing with Lieutenant Governor, and she and I were talking about the initiative through the Wisconsin Department of Commerce about getting women businesses certified. And I know that's what AFF Research does. In fact, that's why we first met, why I was really excited to know we were doing this show and bringing you on. So for women businesses out there, women-owned businesses, women co-owned businesses, and I know there's rules and regulations, why be certified?
If you become woman-owned business, certified, first of all, you give visibility to your company.
Okay.
You accredit your company that you are truly woman-owned business, and you are working in special field.
Why would businesses need to be certified? Is there a reason for it other than, is it just if you're like a special business certification, or can they actually use it? Is there money? Is there a special money reason for
what
it?
What it is if you're certified, you will have, first of all, access to some set-aside money for some of the privately held company, some of the government government agency, especially right now with the American Reinvestment and Recovery Act. There is special programs where women-owned businesses can apply and get access to government opportunities.
And they have to be certified to do that?
They have to be certified to do that.
So it's a door opener for those things. Okay, I understand.
That's correct. And the other part is a lot of the privately held company and some of the government agency, they would like you to be certified to make sure that your company is truly woman-owned businesses.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because like you mentioned before, there is some regulation what in fact is a woman-owned business.
Okay. What is the definition? Is the definition different, or is it one of those 5-paragraph or sub-paragraph definition things?
Usually the woman-owned business is certified as a woman-owned business if it is control or manage from a woman. 51. First of all, if it is owned 51% woman-owned business and control by the woman.
Okay. So it has to be not just a shell kind of thing. It has to
That's
really
correct.
be women managed. Okay.
That's correct. And a lot of the government agency, through the process, they establish that sometimes company, if they're not certified, truly certified, they go and they pass through. They will put a woman-owned business, woman as a business owner of the company. To attract funds that way.
Okay.
When you're certified, you go through, whether you go through the Department of Transportation, through the Department of Commerce, or through us, you truly prove that this is owned and controlled by a woman.
How long does that kind of process take?
Depends on the agency. With us, you're looking at 2 to 3 weeks.
Okay.
With Department of Commerce, sometimes it takes months.
Wow.
Department of Transportation depends on the field you're working into.
Okay.
If your field is with horizontal construction in the highways, your certification will get priority, so you will be looked at faster than if your company is, for example, a marketing company.